park with my kids. Hey, Tuda. Well, my little princess and my big princess, she's over here on the hoverboard. But I'm here. Park day with the kids. Hey. Hey. Hey, mamas. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Nova, come on. What are you doing? Hold on. I gotta go get your cousin.
No, that's my water bottle.
Yay. Yay. Khloe, you having fun with Dad? Be careful, princess.
I tried. I've learned.
No, wait. She's going down the slide. I don't want... I'm your auntie, not your mommy. Come on, Khloe.
What's that?
This slide right here.
The green slide?
Yeah.
Yeah, but how's this thing?
I know, just go down.
Yeah?
Sit down.
Okay. Sit down close. Oh, not yet.
Here, I'll get her.
Never mind.
You know how to do it? Just sit
Yeah.
down. Yeah, sit down and scoop. Yeah, like that. Yay! Yay! Her foot, her foot, her foot. Okay.
Do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fun.
Bet.
Look, I'm doing it.
Okay, go.
Wait, come on. Come on. Chloe's.
Is she happy?
No, she's not.
Sit her on your lap, cause yeah, like that. Put her dress down.
Auntie KeKe, what's that? Mommy, go miss it.
Okay. Watch your feet. Okay, come on. Okay, that's it. Couple. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Okay, keep your feet distance, Kalia. Hold on, let me get you. Let me record you coming down. Okay, come down. Yay. Ready, set, go. Let's see who goes. Come on. Ready, set, go. Come on, right. Her shoe got stuck. Khloe, get her shoe.
Ready, get it.
Okay, the other people's trying to come down, Khloe. Come on. Go find something else to do. Let's see. Come on, Khloe. Let's see. Ready? Come on. Ready? At the park with the family. Be careful with her, Khloe.
I am. Okay, see you there.
Come on, Tuda. Two. Come on, two. Come on. Come on. Come to mama.
You don't just
Khloe.
stuff without acting. And we got to someone.
Is that nice?
Over here. Over here, Khloe.
Did she get a chance?
Look who's walking. Look who's walking. Look who's walking. The Tuda butt. Toot toot. Come on, go there. Go auntie. Go that way. Be careful, baby. Be careful. Be careful. Go auntie. Khloe. Where you going, mama? Khloe, come on, this way. Khloe, clap. Yay! 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 Girl, what you doing? Don't get it. No, don't put that in your mouth. That's a no-no. Let's go walking. Echo.
Mommy.
I'm Auntie.
Auntie.
Yeah. Khloe, take turns. You guys need to take turns. Look.
No, Khloe. She needs to share. Move close, Mommy. I might run over her.
Okay, come on. Ride your bike until it's time, right?
Yeah, ride your bike until I can turn for you, Mama. Have her voice.
He's going, Auntie. Huh, Khloe?
Look at this, Auntie. Look at Khloe's following you.
Okay, Khloe, go around and then so it's Raba's turn after that. You have to share.
Okay.
Okay.
Go around the circle.
Yeah, go around. And then when you come back, it's Raba's turn.
Yeah, it's gotta be my turn.
Hey, Khloe. She got both of them. Look at her. Throw the juice. Look it, running off with the juice.
Me too, Mila. Here, I got
Okay.
you. I got you.
Raba's learning how to ride the hoverboard.
No, over here. All the way over here.
Look at big cousin helping little cousin. No, don't scream, Rabbi. It's okay.
Okay, I'm not gonna fall this time. Chloe,
Big cousin
you're heavy.
helping little cousin.
Mom, let me do it. I know how to ride the hoverboard. No, you don't, because I'm holding the hand that doesn't mean you're hydrogen. Okay, you have to go then after you come back.
Come here, princess. It's alright. Go, Rabbi. What's her name? I think baby got hurt. It's alright. Let me see. Go, Rabbi. It's okay. Hurt yourself a few times, okay? Go, Lily. Go. Khloe, slow down.
She's saying she's so.
Look at Robert's on Khalee's hoverboard. Khalee's on Robert's bike. Khalea, let me see. Why is it hard?
Because of my ball. And it's so big. And it's so bright.
Get it, ride the bike. Sharon. Right. Right. Good job, right. Look at Sierra. A day in the life of KeKe with the kids and my niece. Good job, Lily. Good job, princess. Be careful, Khaleea. Khaleea.